Usher-Collier ROARcast, the daily broadcast that spotlights what's happening here at the best elementary school in the city of Atlanta.
This month's SEL book is titled The Day You Begin.
This beautiful picture book shares the heartwarming story of finding the courage to connect even when you feel scared and alone. The Hands on Atlanta Discovery Saturday School program will begin on Saturday, October 12th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Teachers, please prepare to write your second PBL with Dr. Bradley on October 14th. The practice will take up the entire day.
Please have an idea of what to call your PBL and what to use as a driving question.
Refer to your email for the science units of studies.
The Sunshine Committee would like to thank those who turned in their $35 dues.
Be on the lookout for a spooky treat this month. If you have not paid your dues but don't want to be left out of the sun, please see S. Williams.
The Royal Mentoring Program's first meeting will be held this afternoon.
Please make sure that your guardian arrives promptly to pick you up at 4 p.m.
We look forward to seeing you.
The next Running Lions Fun Run will be tomorrow at Grant Park at 5 p.m.
October is a very important month. It is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, Bullying Prevention Month, and the home of Red Ribbon Week, where we just say no.
In support of breast cancer awareness, we are asking students and staff to wear something breast cancer related or the color pink every Friday in October.
Our lunch choices today are spaghetti marinara with the breadstick or a grilled cheese sandwich. Our vegetarian option is a chunky tuna salad wrap and seasoned Italian mixed veggies.
Teachers, please TAKE, take your attendance daily.
Thanks for tuning in and have a great day of teaching and learning.